Okay, now we looked at a slope wave. Let's change that to pulse, and I'll change the output here to a pulse wave. So we can measure that. Channel 1, good. Polarity, positive and negative. Let's set it to positive. Limit range, we can go less than, good. Okay, page 2, we got DC, the coupling. Noise reject, doesn't make a difference, again, okay. So now, we've got it set to less than, so we'll stop it, have a look, and then you can see it's about 200 microseconds per division, and that looks like almost exactly one division. So let's start it again. Now let's adjust the time to about 200 microseconds and see what the time is. Okay. So 218, almost there. 204, 203, 202, 201, up 200. Okay, so it's about 201. 201 microseconds, okay, for each pulse. About one division.